Here we are on 38 Tiara with the Dockmate Vector.
It's almost like you've done this before, huh?
A couple times. Josh, you may want to think about getting back on.
Think that tweak that helped?
Oh, tremendously.
Yeah.
Tremendously.
Yeah.
Because what happens about the delay is, like I was telling you,
Yeah.
you tend to overcorrect on the delay.
Right. Yeah.
And then you get yourself in a jam.
Yeah.
Now it's very, you move it and what I actually like it better than the joystick simply because it seems to torque the engines down.
Yeah.
Where the joystick, either the way I'm operating it or whatever, it always seems like the torque is a little high.
Yeah, and we can adjust that, and you can also do the engine RPM,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. I
Adjust
like
that.
keeping it low, to be honest.
Okay, there you go.
It's just better control.
Perfect.